Hi everyone. I'm going to answer your question about how can I make my students attendees instead of participants in my online sessions. This is super important because you don't want students taking control of the PowerPoint or muting you or other students. So once you have organized your meeting, you're going to click on it and you're going to go to meeting options, which is going to open as a website, and you will see who can bypass the lobby. If you're dealing with people from outside the organization, if they're invited, then you need to specify everyone. But we're here to learn who can present. So this is what we want to know. Only me. This is what you have to select. You click save. In this way, you will be safe and will be in peace that your students won't be naughty and they are not going to take control of your online session. I hope you find this useful. Please get in touch if you have questions.